Hi guys, welcome to my first take and play and wooden railway review. I'll be showing you the wooden railway smudger. Now, Smudger is a troublemaker and appeared in season 2 I believe, or 3, and it was shown on the episode Grandpa. He used the same model as Rheneas. Now, Smudger was a troublemaker, and he was turned to a generator, and he only appeared in that episode. So yeah, here's his cab, the dot, the nameplate, Smudger. To focus. Okay. The dome. Now I don't know, but the dome on the TV series was not gold. It was green. I don't know why they made it, but it's green. Paint coal. His face. Funnel. Same here. Smudger. Some sort of code. And I don't know, but he's dated 2003. I don't know if you can see that. 2003. Here. Well guys, thanks for watching my review. Well, my first review. Well, see you later.